Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as I told you in the last video that today I'm going to teach you guys coding. So here we go. We are going to do coding today. So today I'm going to go with a very basic concept of HTML and intro of HTML, which you guys know. So without wasting any time, let's start. So in today's class, things we will learn. So first I'm going to introduce you to HTML and how can we work on it and various types of HTML text editors I recommend you to use and various types of web browsers I recommend you to use to execute your program. Okay, so let's start. So, for HTML is known as Hypertext Markup Language. To work on HTML, we need web browsers, HTML text editors, and the various web browsers are Google Chrome, which I most recommend. Microsoft Edge, I don't recommend that much, but it's your wish. Internet Explorer, it's damn old, but if there are any fans of Internet Explorer, you can use it. And Mozilla Firefox and Opera. Now, coming to various types of HTML editors. So, text editors. So now I use Notepad++, but to teach you guys today, I'm going to use Notepad for the first class. And hope all of you have Notepad in your laptops. And I use this because this shows the code is very colorful and half of the code, we don't need to type half of the code and VS Code and Sublime Text. So today now I'm going to teach you like in basic HTML code. So let's start. To start off with an HTML code, one second. To start off with an HTML code, first go to file and open a new folder and then first save it as in your desktop or anywhere. It's your wish. I'm going to save it as today. I'm going to save it as youtube.html. This .html is necessary and you can save this as any name you want. You can save it as suppose Nihar, suppose Srihari, any name. It's your wish. So let's begin. So now to write in code. So to write in code, we need to start off with doc type HTML. So let's start. First doc type. This is not necessary but it's your wish, but I'm using it. Doc type HTML. Close it. And now we need to open the HTML tag. And then we need to open the head tag because HTML, as you saw, HTML consists of head, title, page, head, title, body, and all. So we are using those tags, popular tags. And one of the most basic tags that you use. And title. And then after title, you close out this. You open title tag and then write page title because today we are going to do like printing. This is a heading and this is a paragraph and all. Title, page title, and close title tag, title tag, and then afterwards you should close off head tag. For this, that's all. Head tag is this closes off head tag, and now we should open new tag called body. So body. Here we go. And then after body, we want to write H1 for heading. This is an heading. Heading. This is an heading. and we should close off H1 tag. We should close off H1 tag. And then we need to open paragraph tag. See, this is a paragraph. We are writing a statement. Paragraph. And then close the paragraph tag. And then after that, you need to close off this body tag which you opened here. Body. Closing of body tag and closing the HTML tag which you opened here. You need to remember to close all the tags, then only the code will run properly. So this is our code over here. So now we need to execute it. So here I've saved it as YouTube. It's loading. Just a minute. Do I say it correctly? One second. Post. Yeah, I forgot to put this tag over here. So now let's save it back. And then now let's go to this YouTube. So it's loading as you can see over here. So here you go, this code has been run. So let me close this off. So this is how you execute in code. So in HTML basically there are two important things. First you are writing in code and executing it. Execution is the most important part, and once you get the product, that time you can say that the code is successful. So now that's all for today's class, and this is a simple HTML code. So from coming classes, I'm going to higher this level, and slowly I'm going to teach more advanced concepts. So stay tuned. And so this is my YouTube channel. So please subscribe to this. And then this is Asa Facts, and he is one of my friend. Please subscribe to his channel also. And this is our website, Nihar Coaching Academy, which you can get even in Google. So I've told about this in my introduction video, first video. You can see it over here. This is my first video and this is my second video. And please see this locus video, and please see my friend's video, and please subscribe to his channel. And so I've given an introduction to this, and you can call us now, and the virtual assistant number I'll put it in the description below. You can chat through it, and our customer care will contact you. And so stay tuned for more updates, and I'm going to teach Python and all the advanced programs. So just this is a basic class, and this is not a big class, but it's okay, and it is like for beginners who just don't know HTML. So I conclude my class. So bye for now. Please subscribe my channel.